To measure the traffic, Google has facilitated the tool like Google Analytics. So website like webmasterindia.com, and if we want to measure the traffic coming on this website, we need to put one Google Analytics code on the head part of the website. As for example, here is the Webmaster India. I am just going through the source code. Here you can see that the Google Analytics code in the website, either on the head part or at the footer before the /body tag, you can place your Google Analytics code. First of all, you need to log into the Google, and after logging, you need to access the link like google.com/analytics/web, and it will take you to the Google Analytics accounts. You can add multiple accounts in a single Google account. Here you can see the various parameters is given in Google Analytics tool, through which you can measure your traffic. There are various sections like audience section, acquisition, behavior, and conversation, etc. Today we will discuss about the audience report and all traffic report, that how you can generate the report and how you can analyze the report. Now for monthly report, here it's like 16 May 2015 to 15 June 2015. Here it shows the graphical presentation of your traffic, and here it is shown everyday traffic. Like you can see here, it is the top. Like on 26 May 2015, the visits are, number of sessions the site has got is 104. Similarly, on everyday daily basis, you can measure the traffic coming to your website. This is the monthly graph. So you can measure the monthly in a similar way. If you want to check the weekly graph or date-wise traffic, then also you can make it confirm by selecting the date range. Like here, if you want to see the today's traffic, you need to click over here. Yesterday traffic, last week traffic, last month traffic, etc. If you want to compare the monthly traffic, means this month traffic with the previous month, you need to select this option like compare to. So if you are considering your month is from 16 May to 15 June, comparing the traffic with this month traffic with the previous month, like 15th April to 15th May, it will be automatically selected, and you need to click on apply button. It will show you the traffic. Here is the traffic, like, and it's compared traffic, this month traffic with the previous month. Means here you can see that the sessions, means the number of visitors. This month visitors, the number of visitors are 1227 versus the last month visitor 1069. So you can see that the number of visitors have been increased up to 14.78%. But at the same time, number of unique users, it shows that the number of unique users have been decreased 5.15%. Means this month the number of unique users were 626, whereas the previous month the number of visitors were 660. Means you can see that the number of unique users has been decreased this month. But at the same time, here the third parameter you can measure, like page views. Page views has been increased. Page views is page views is the total number of pages viewed. Repeated views of a single page are counted. Like it's a total number of pages the visitors have been viewed, like 3,267 pages have been viewed this month compared to 2,906 page viewed last month. So you can see that the number of page views has been increased. The fourth parameter also you can measure like pages per session. Means pages per session is the average number of pages viewed during a session. Repeated views of the single pages are also counted. So you can see that per session the number of pages is 2.66 this month compared to the last month 2.72, and it has been decreased. So this way you can analyze the traffic coming to your website, either increased or decreased, number of users have been increased or decreased, number of page views has been increased or decreased, number of pages per session is increased or decreased. Even you can also count that the average session duration. Here you can see that the average session duration is 6.11 versus 3.58. So it's 55% average session duration has been increased. That is a good sign that your site traffic is quite progressive with the average session duration. Bounce rate has been reduced. Bounce rate, here it shows that the bounce rate has been increased. So it's a alarming signal, and you need to take the appropriate action so that your bounce rate for particular your whole website as well as individual pages you can be reduced. So and percentage new sessions also you can see here, percentage new sessions has been decreased. So this way you can analyze your website traffic whether it is progressive or reducing. Here also you can see the new visitors and returning visitors. So you can consider that if the new visitors has been increased for your site, that is a good sign. Again, a good sign. See, in audience report there are some other demographic parameters also you can check, like language, means on your website which language traffic is increasing or which language traffic is appropriate, so that you can consider that if your website is presenting to some local language, then that particular language traffic is increasing or decreasing, that you can see from here. If you want to see the traffic from different countries, that also you can see from here by clicking this option, country. Here you can see that the traffic from India has been decreased bit, like 17% has been reduced. USA, United States traffic has been increased. Italy, Bangladesh, and so many other countries. So here you can see the traffic from different countries either increased or decreased, or how many number of visitors have come to your site. Like in city wise also you can differentiate the traffic pattern from browser, operating system, service provider, etc. You can see from this option. So here this is the audience report. So you can analyze the total traffic on your website. Second option, all traffic, means what type of traffic is coming to your website from different channels. Then you need to click on the acquisition, all traffic and channels report. Here it is also the same pattern which that we have seen in audience report. Like here by configuring this parameter you can check the traffic analysis on monthly, weekly basis. Here see, this is the daily basis graph you can see on the monitor. If you want to see or want to compare your traffic on weekly basis, you need to click here. You can see that traffic is coming from which channel, either direct channel or referral or organic or social media or some other like paid channel. If your site is getting traffic, it is measured over here. Here you can see that the direct traffic is higher this month compared to previous month, and it has been increased 15%. Referral traffic also has been increased during this month compared to previous month, and it has been increased 76%. Organic search, it is comparatively to the previous month, it is significantly down 26.69%. So you can see the progress of your website, whether it is in a positive side or the negative. Social media signals also has been captured here in terms of the social traffic, whether it is increased or decreased. If your site is getting hits from some other website, also you can measure over here. Display ad or paid search also can be measured here. So this way through this parameter, you can, through this Google Analytics code insertion on your website, you can track all types of traffic coming to your website. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any query related to the website development or designing and digital marketing, you may contact us on www.webmasterindia.com or send your requirement or send your query on biz@webmasterindia.com. Thank you very much.